Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to enable ray tracing in Minecraft. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So without further ado, let's start. Firstly, make sure your computer is capable of using RTX. So open up any web browser and search for Minecraft Bedrock Ray Tracing Pack. Go to a site like Planet Minecraft. There are loads of different resource packs which have RTX with it. I'm going to click on this one here and then scroll down and click on Download Bedrock Texture Pack. Close off your browser and open up your File Explorer and go to your downloads. Make sure that the file you just downloaded is an Embassy Pack file type because this is how we install resource packs on Minecraft Bedrock. So just double click on it and Minecraft Bedrock should open. And you're going to get a pop-up at the top of Minecraft once it loads, which say import started. I currently don't have a Minecraft, but for sure you do, and just press on play and create a new world. You can also choose your game mode, you can tap on resource source packs, and tap on activate and it will then appear there. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!